Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about grey haircut ideas for women over 50. Grey hair is beautiful, it is natural, elegant and full of confidence. Many women over 50 are now choosing to keep their grey hair and style it in modern and stylish ways. And the best part is grey hair can look very classy and trendy with the right haircut. Let's talk about some lovely haircut ideas. First is the short pixie cut. A pixie cut is short, fresh and easy to manage. It is perfect for women who want a simple style that does not take much time. Grey pixie haircut looks bold and confident. You can keep it soft and natural or add a little volume on top for a modern look. Second is the classic bob haircut. A bob cut is always stylish. It can be chin length or slightly longer. Grey hair in a bob style looks very elegant. Next is the layered short haircut. Layers add volume and make hair look fuller. If your grey hair feels thin, layers can help give it shape and body. This style is easy to maintain and looks natural. Another great idea is the shoulder length cut with soft layers. If you don't want very short hair, this is a perfect choice. Shoulder length grey hair looks graceful and feminine. Soft layers make it light and easy to style. You can leave it open or tie it in a simple ponytail. For women who love a stylish look, the textured crop cut is a beautiful option. This haircut adds texture and movement. It gives a trendy and youthful feel while still looking elegant. Now let's talk about why grey hair looks so special. Grey hair shines. It reflects light and gives a natural silver glow. When you keep your hair healthy and trimmed regularly, grey hair looks even more beautiful. To maintain grey hair, use a good shampoo for silver or grey tones. This helps keep the color bright and fresh. Also use conditioner to keep your hair soft and smooth. Low maintenance is very important after 50. Choose a haircut that matches your lifestyle. If you don't like spending much time styling, forgo shorter cuts. If you enjoy styling, medium length hair gives you more options. Remember, confidence is the most important thing. Grey hair is not something to hide. It is a sign of experience, strength and natural beauty. Every woman over 50 deserves to feel stylish and proud of her look. With the right haircut, grey hair can look modern, fresh and absolutely stunning. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can visit my channel, see for more collection about women fashion, about women hairstyles, haircuts. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.